Hi guys, and welcome back. Today will be a little bit different from our normal videos. I'm behind my laptop because we're going to have a look at a platform called Pacdora. Pacdora is a platform that quickly lets you create packaging designs and 3D mockups. It's really neat to know for anybody that creates their own products or runs a web shop like us. And if you stick around till the end, we'll even have a discount code so you can try Pacdora for yourself.
Let's dive right in. When logging in, you can see that the platform includes multiple different tools. For starters, there's this easy-to-use mockup generator with over 3,000 different mockups, so you can quickly check what your design looks like on, for example, a t-shirt, box, or soda can. Next up, we have a dieline generator, which helps you create blueprints that outline the exact shape, size, and layout of a package or product. If you need to design product packaging, boxes, or other types of packaging, this dieline generator provides the appropriate templates, and of such professional quality that you could send it directly to a manufacturer. Another tool in the platform is the 3D modeling software. With the 3D mockups from the first tool, you just pick a matching scene, adjust background and lighting, preview design effects in real time, and then download a 4K HD rendered image. The best part is that you don't need any 3D modeling skills. And last but not least is the AI background generator, which is currently only available in the UK, Spain, France, Italy, Germany, and the Netherlands. We know how frustrating and time-consuming it can be to create good-looking product pictures, to make sure your products stand out and sell. So in this video, we are going to explore this tool a little better and see if it can help us with our webshop product pictures. To start off, we'll quickly set up a light and shoot a couple pictures of our products with our smartphone so we have something to work with. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, as long as it's well lit and has a simple background. Then AI will do the rest. After taking these pictures, we'll go back to our laptop. We're logged into the platform at pacdora.com. On the top right, we can go to our workspace. From here, we're going to click on Create AI Background. This creates a new AI background project. First, we'll upload one of the images that we took with our phone earlier. Pacdora will automatically remove the background. That's why having good lighting was important earlier. Next, we have to select the background style to match the picture and scene we want to set. Let's see. I actually like this indoor one. So the only thing left now is to press generate and watch the magic happen. What it will do is give us two options, and if we don't like any of those, or if we just want to see more options, we can generate two new ones each time. Something still doesn't look quite right. If you look at the items in the background, the scale is a little off. But luckily we can fix that by resizing our product in the original image. Let's try again. Okay, that looks a lot better. Now that we're happy with the result, we only have to press export in the top right corner and the image will be downloaded to our laptop. Now let's repeat this for the other products. And here they are uploaded into our webshop.
And just like that, we've created an amazing looking product image in just a few clicks. If you like this video and want to try this platform for yourself, you can use the code AHA08 for a 20% discount or click on the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you don't want to miss the next video, and see you next time.